What's up, guys? I'm back with another video, and at this point, ooh, it's blurry. So I'm back with another video, and this video is about lock extensions. Now, hopefully it focuses. But I have been using the Vivica Fox Afro Soul Kinky Bulk Hair, and it is, I believe, in the color 4. And it was $36.98 at the beauty supply store, so I bought 2 of them. However, I went back and I went to another one, and I bought one that is a number 2, which I didn't mean to buy a number 2, but hey, I bought a number 2, and it has the same amount of packs in here, but it was cheaper. It was $34. So I mean, if you get it online, you'll probably get it a bit cheaper, like Amazon, but the shipping and everything like that takes a long time, so I chose to go to the beauty supply store. So yeah, I've heard good things and bad things about Vivica Fox hair. However, like, who cares? I took some hair out. Not like who cares, but like everyone's gonna have something bad to say about something. But anyway, we will see if this hair is bad, because I just hope it dies. It's human hair, so let's see. If it don't die, we're gonna have a problem. And yeah, let's get into the video. This is the hair. You see how light it is? Wow, and the camera looks really light. So yeah, it's in the packaging, the little hairnet, and I usually don't like take it out. So I used some of this hair anyway, so that's why it looks a bit smaller, but this is what the hair actually looks like, and it's a clear brown. If you can see, it's a clear brown, everything like that. No complaints with this hair at all, but I'll get into how to make the lock extensions, or how I made my own lock extensions. And yeah, is take a piece of the hair. I take a piece of the hair, like just pull it off, and then I kind of just pull the hair to the length I want it. Just pull, simple step. Take the piece of the hair that you want and pull, and it will look sort of like this, if you want it longer, you'll rip off another piece and then add it on to whatever side you want. Next, you will palm roll the hair. It's important to palm roll so that you have some foundation when you're trying to actually make the lock. And I could tell right here that I'm gonna have to add more hair after I take this apart and reattach it, but you'll see what I'm talking about later. But it's important to palm roll. Palm. And you can choose either side to actually start the lock from, but I'll start it from the bottom. So when I started from the bottom, I usually pull a little bit, and then I go ahead and literally you pull a little bit and like curve it over. Basically simple. Literally fold over, fold it, and that's how you start it. Next, you will use your steel wood. I steel wood this metal steel type of crochet, and I have it in 1.3 or 1.3 millimeters. And so you can get one smaller than this, but I have actually kind of cut my finger a little bit, and if I had a smaller one, I'm sure I would have pierced it even more. Anyway, so you hold on to the foundation of what you just folded, and then you just start. You go in, go out. You pull. It's like you pull a piece of the hair. Watch this with a clip. Pull it and see how the hair goes in my fingers. Then I pull, push, pull, push, pull, and you kind of try to move it around. Move it around so that it can form a nice base for the lock. So far. Also, like, you want to make sure that the hair that you're getting is the size of your locks. Don't just start a lock just to start it, but my hair, I have like different size locks, so at this point it doesn't really matter what I'm actually pulling from. So basically I'm just going in and out this hair, like literally just pulling and going in and out the hair to just pull and get some more hair in it so that it can form into a lock. And it's fairly simple. Like, you kind of have to like rotate the hair, as you see what I'm doing, like push pull. After I do it a couple of times, then I kind of rotate the hair with my fingers so that it can eventually, you know, get where it needs to be. And let me just show you so far what the progress is. This is the progress of the hair. It's starting to form a little locky lock, and I will come back when I am done. But right here, what I was talking about is, like, since the hair wasn't really connecting, you can just pull the hair, and then when you get to this part, you can actually put this hair a bit down so that take this hair and push it down so that it will be even out right here, so that you won't have like a really tiny section right here when you actually make the lock. But I will be back as soon as I am at least closer to here. So you guys, I am back, and as I stated before, I have to reconnect this part, and I'm just gonna do it on film just in case you run into this situation or problem. So literally I'm just putting this just together. Like, it's not gonna stick by its own or on its own. So what you'll do is hold it and then palm roll it and try your best to just merge them together so that it will look like this. Once that is done, just continue to try to, you know, get this together. Like, literally after a while it will just be easier. I'm not even gonna say easy, because this, I like flipping it this way so that I know. Yeah. And just add this hair and just right now, that's how the lock is turning out. Whew. Take me a little minute. Ooh. Guys, I am back and I'm almost done. It got curled up on me, Okay, so anyway. So basically, if I flip this, it might be a little easier for y'all to see. But I'm just doing the same exact thing. It's just that I'm coming to the end. So you want to make sure that when you're coming to the end, you leave some hair out. And so that's what I plan to do. or at least try to do. So yeah. It's not really focusing. And the thing about this is my first time making locks. I'm going to make another video about how to attach them. And I got this idea from another YouTuber who, thank God that she has blessed us with a video, because, oh, it's not focused, but because we would not be here. I'm so dramatic, but we as in people with actual locks who are gonna take a risk and doing it themselves. She has helped me, and I'm sure I'll put it down on the screen somewhere where you guys can go look at her videos, because she is way more advanced than I ever will be at this point. But I will get there. And man, it's so hard finding lock extension videos, because usually they talk about lock extensions and they don't show you, or even if they do show you, they show you on loose hair, and I have locks already. And so I'm trying to make my locks longer for the springtime, to put my hair up, to have more things to do with my hair, and get it out my face, because it's about to get hot and I am not with that. So I want to be able to put my hair up. I'm closer to the end, you guys, very close, but I think I'll stop about right about here. And if it gets blurry at times, my apologies. Whew. But man, she has definitely helped me to just take a leap of faith and actually do this myself. If it doesn't work, you guys will be the first ones to see and first ones to know. I'm definitely dyeing it too, and I never dyed my own hair, so we will still see what's going on with my hair in the future. Future meaning possibly this week. I will make another video on how to install them, and also how I dyed them. So we shall see, because yeah. So I'm just almost where I want to be. I'm just making sure everything is together. And you're just gonna do this. Palm roll it, palm roll it, palm roll it. And this is a whole lock extension. This is a whole lock extension. I'm not quite sure how like long it is, but let me see if I have a pencil. Okay, well, I have this. So the equivalent to this is how long the lock extension is. I have made several actually, and so I'm gonna just show you at least like 2 that I've made so far. I've made a lot. I actually installed some in my hair, but these are my lock extensions, and these have additional hair. I might end up cutting it down, or I don't quite know what I'm actually gonna do. I might just cut it down, meaning like especially for this one, I probably would like just cut it, because I honestly don't need the excess hair, because the only excess hair on one side, as you can see. So bye bye. And then for this one, I might as well do the same while I'm at it. So, and if I need this hair later, the part that I'm cutting off, possibly might use it, but I'm just put it to the side. And these are my lock extensions. Hope you guys enjoyed this lock extension tutorial. Hope it wasn't too long, and I hope you guys can give me feedback if you had made them yourself. But these are human hair lock extensions and Vivica Fox collection of hair. So yeah, thumbs up this video, like and subscribe and share.